How's it going? We're here for day 33 of Fergal Scahill Day for 2019 in Tucson, Arizona this evening, and I'm with Gordon Gower, who is a local flute player. Great to meet you this evening.
Great to meet you.
And we're going to play a tune called, what's that? It's on Gordon's CD. Yeah, it's called Casadh. So everyone see that? Go get the CD. It's great.
iTunes, all those places.
iTunes,
Amazon,
all those places.
You name it.
tSúgáin, a beautiful slow tune for a bit of a change. So we'll give it a go. After you, Gordon. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Lovely.
My pleasure.
See you tomorrow for day 34.